Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Cuet City Intimation. First, navigate to the official Cuet examination website. Look for the dedicated section or link that specifically mentions City Intimation Slip or Advanced City Allotment. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Ensure you have your application number and date of birth readily available, as these credentials are essential for accessing your information. Once on the intimation page, you will need to enter your unique Cuet application number. Double-check for any typos to avoid login issues. Next, input your date of birth in the specified format, which is crucial for identity verification. After entering both pieces of information, click the Submit or Login button to access your personalized city intimation details. Upon successful login, your Cuet City Intimation Slip will display. Carefully review the allotted examination city to confirm your assigned location. Also, take note of your specific examination date and the shift, whether it is morning or afternoon. Remember, this document is solely for city intimation and is not your final admit card for the examination. After viewing your city intimation, it is highly recommended to download and print a copy for your records. Keep this safe, but understand that your official admit card, containing your exact exam center and other vital instructions, will be released separately. Do not confuse the two documents. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, along with other great deals you might enjoy. Prepare well and good luck with your examination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.